Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company. Today we're going to have a little fun with some half square triangles and a block. So a friend of mine showed me this block, and I must have been feeling lazy that day or something, because I thought, good grief, there's 8 half square triangles in that block and they're all the same. And I thought, well, how can I make that quickly? So I cut, you would normally cut 2 7/8 to make a 2-inch finished half square triangle. So I doubled that and got 5 3/4. So I've cut here 2 squares, one of each color, 5 3/4. And then I'm going to go ahead and put lines on this. So I've lined up with my 45-degree line on my ruler, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line this way, and then I'm going to measure in 2 7/8. It should go right through your crisscross there. Draw a line that way and this way. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to stitch scant 1/4 inch on either side of both of the diagonal lines. This way, go back and go the other way. And then we'll do the other way. Turn it around. And there we go. Now we're going to cut it apart on all the lines. So I'm going to lay my ruler here on this diagonal line, vertical line, diagonal line, and the vertical line. And just like magic, I have all 8 of my half square triangles. There. Isn't that fun? Quick and easy. And for this block, all you have to do, you need a little 1-inch square for the center. And then you can start setting these up so they spin around the center. And the ones out here go the same direction. All right. I did something wrong. There we go. All right, and then I have these little pieces. They're 1 inch by 2.5 of my background fabric. And these pieces are 2.5 by 5, and they look really small now, but they'll fit once the seams are sewn. Okay, so you just put the center together as in basically a 9 patch, and then use the center to put the outside together, and voila, fun block. Thanks a bunch. Have fun with that.